Is your college degree about to become a very expensive piece of paper? For generations, a university education has been seen as the golden ticket to success, a guaranteed pathway to a stable and prosperous future. But the ground is shifting beneath our feet. A new force is rapidly reshaping the landscape of work and education: artificial intelligence. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's powerful, and it's learning at an exponential rate. Tasks that once required years of specialized training can now be performed by AI systems in a fraction of the time and at a fraction of the cost. From writing code to diagnosing medical conditions, AI is encroaching on territory previously held exclusively by highly skilled professionals. Companies are already beginning to replace human workers with AI-powered solutions, leading to significant cost savings and increased efficiency. So what does this mean for the future of college degrees? Are they destined to become obsolete in the face of ever-advancing AI? The answer is complex, but one thing is clear: the value of a traditional education is being challenged like never before. It may be time to rethink the way we prepare ourselves for the future.